Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm Hasham Khan. Already 16 problems I have completed on time series analysis. The last video we have done some 3 problems on finding the straight line trend by the method of least squares. Now I'm continuing the next problem, that is problem number 17. Some more new points will come across in these problems, but these problems are very important from examination point of view. Normally every time fitting the straight line trend by the method of least squares will be asked. So students must have perfect knowledge, practice on this type of problems. Now before starting the problem, I expect my viewers to have the printout of the problems which I have given in the link under my description. So see the 17th problem. Fit a straight line trend by the method of least squares to the following data: year 1981, 82, 83, 84 up to 87, and profits are given. It is only asking you to fit the straight line trend. No trend values are asked. So fitting a straight line trend equation by the method of least squares. Year 1981 to 1987 given in the problem. Profit are y. The y figures are given 57, 65. Take the total of y, 486. Now we have to take the x values in such a way that the total of x must be 0. Then our calculations will become simple. We can save the time if we make summation x is equal to 0. So how to make summation x is equal to 0? Take the middle year as base. So in this 7 years, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 years, the middle year is 1984. So we make the 1984 as the base year and we take the x value as 0. So forward we'll take 1, 2, 3 plus positive 1, 2, 3. Backward negative minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So automatically we'll get summation x is equal to 0. In this way we can do. Up students will get it out. Why can't we take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like this? You can take. The only thing is the problem will be solved in 2 hours. Now the problem can be solved in 10 minutes. Now choice is yours. If you want to reduce the time, make it summation x is equal to 0 like this. You can save the time because easily we can find out a and b. Now square. 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4, 1 0 1 4 9. Take the total 28. Now xy, multiply x into y, 57 into 3, 171 minus, plus into minus, minus, plus into minus, minus, plus into minus, minus. So 63 into 1, 63, 65 into 2, 130. Similarly, 72 into 0 is 0, 69 into 1, 69, 78 into 2, 156, 82 into 3, 246. Take the total summation xy, 107. Carefully you take the total, minus sign is there. So minus 171, minus 130, minus 63, plus 69, plus 156, plus 246. You get 107. Now the straight line trend equation is yc is equal to a plus bx. Already 2-3 problems we have applied. Now since summation x is equal to 0, so a and b can be ascertained by the following formula. A is equal to summation y by n. How much? 486 divided by 7, 69.43. B is equal to summation xy by summation x square. So 107 by 28, 3.82. A and B values we got it. Now substitute. The straight line trend equation is yc is equal to a plus bx. So 69.43 plus 3.82x. So we got the straight line trend equation. That's it. This is the problem number 17. Now 18th problem is little bit different problem. Concentrate now. Fit a straight line to the following data and compute the trend values. Not only we have to fit the straight line, but also we have to compute the trend values. Year 1991, 93. 91, after that 93. There is no 1992 given in the problem. There is a skipping of year. 1991, 1993. Then 94, 95, 96, 97. After 97, 98, 99 are not there. Directly 2000 is given. Profits are given. In this way, we cannot adopt the earlier procedure. The procedure have to be changed because in this case we cannot make summation x is equal to 0. Previous problem we have made summation x is equal to 0 because there is no skipping of the year. But here there is skipping of the year. In between some of the years are not given in the problem. So we have to go by long method called normal equation method. Now see. Fitting a straight line trend by the method of least squares and estimating the trend values. One column, extra column we have to open. That column is trend values column. Previous problem trend was not asked. That's why we have not opened the column trend values. Here trend values we require. So first of all year 1991, 1993. There is no 1992 given in the problem. So as it is, we have taken 93, 94, 95, 96, 97. 98, 99 years are not given. 2000 year is given. And the profits are given. Take the total profit 630. Number of years are 7. Now X values. The central year I am taking as base 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So central year is 1995. 1995 I am taking the base year 0. Right? Now forward. 95 to 96. 1 year. So I am taking 1. 95 to 97. So I am taking 2. Because 1 year forward, 2 year forward. But after that, 98, 99. 2 years are not given. If 98 were given, we would have taken 3. If 99 were given, we would have taken 4. So 3 and 4 are not there. Third year and fourth year are not there. Directly we'll come to the fifth year. So 2000 we have to take it 5. So after 2, I am taking 5. Because 97 के बाद next 98, 99. So 98, 99 years are not given. So if it is given, we would have taken 3, 4. It is not given, so we'll not take 3 and 4. We'll directly come to 5. Similarly backward, 95 to 94, 1 year backward, minus 1. 95 to 93, 2 years backward. Then 95 to 91, 92 is not given. If 92 were given, we would have taken minus 3. We would have taken minus 3 if 93 were given. But 93 was not given. We are given 91. 92 was not given, 91 was given. So minus 4. Minus 3 is not there. Minus 3 is not there because 1992 is not there. Right? Now if you take the total, minus 4, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 5. You will not get 0, you will get plus 1. You will get plus 1. If you add up all these values, you will get plus 1. The first time we are coming across where summation x is not equal to 0. Not equal to 0. Earlier problem it was 0. First time not 0. Now square. 4 4s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 1 0, 1 4, 5 5s are 25. Total 51. X into y. 79 into 4, 316, plus into minus minus. 88 into 2, 176, plus into minus minus. 91 into 1, 91, plus into minus minus. 92 into 0, 0. 90 into 1, 90. 94 into 2, 188. 96 into 5, 480. Take the total summation xy, 175. Don't take anything in trend values. After completing the problem, we'll take. Then the straight line trend equation is y is equal to a plus bx. Since summation x is not equal to 0, this is the new point we are coming across. Summation x not equal to 0. So the values of a and b can be found by solving the two normal equations. By solving the two normal equations, we can get the values of a and b. So what are normal equations? Here I am explaining. Now see, the straight line trend equation is y. Y is equal to a plus bx. Y is equal to a plus bx. Now I am putting summation on both the sides, LHS and RHS. LHS we have y. So I will write down summation y. Now I am writing the normal equation. Remember how to make the normal equation. Y. I am putting summation, multiplying summation with the whole equation. So y के place पर summation y. Summation y is equal to a. In place of a, na. I am writing na plus bx. So I will write on b summation x. B summation x. So again I repeat the first normal equation, summation y is equal to na plus b summation x. This is the first normal equation. Second normal equation. The first normal equation should be multiplied by y. The first normal equation should be multiplied by y. The first normal equation is y is equal to na plus b summation x. Now this first equation should be multiplied by y. So summation y into x. It should be multiplied by x, sorry. The second equation should be multiplied by x. So y will become xy. Earlier it was only summation y. I am multiplying with x. I am multiplying with x, the whole first equation. So summation xy is equal to a summation x plus b summation x square. X into x will become x square. When we multiply x into x, it will become x square. The first equation should be multiplied by x. first equation should be multiplied by x. So summation xy is equal to a summation x plus b summation x square. These are called normal equations. By solving normal equations, we'll get a and b value. So why we have to follow this method? Because we have not been able to make summation x is equal to 0. If we cannot be able to make summation x is equal to 0, then we have to follow this procedure. Normally, if there is no skipping of the year, we can be able to take summation x is equal to 0 in the previous problem. First time we got this one situation. Now, substituting the values. Now, n is how much? 7. N is 7. So 7a is 7a plus b summation x. Summation x is how much? 1. So 1 into b is equal to summation y. How much is summation y here? 630. 630. Similarly, a summation x. Summation x is 1. So 1 into a plus which is 1 plus b summation x square. So summation x square is 51. 51b is equal to summation xy. How much is summation xy? 175. So we can write 7a plus b into 1 is b is equal to 630. First equation. A into 1 is a plus 51b is equal to 175. This is the first equation and this is the second equation. Now we have to solve these two equations by simultaneous equation method to get the values of a and b. Now 7a plus b is equal to 630, whereas a plus 51b is equal to 175. If you want to cancel any one of the variable, the coefficient should be same. We want to cancel either a or b. We want to cancel either a or b. But we can cancel only when the coefficient are same. What is the coefficient of a here? 7. What is the coefficient of a here? 1. So we cannot cancel directly. Both should be 7. So we multiply the second equation by 7. Multiplying equation 2 by 7. First equation as it is 7a plus b is equal to 630. 7 into a, 7a. 7 into 51, it is 357b. 7 into 175 is 1225. The whole second equation is multiplied by 7. We got this one. Now we change the sign. Plus will become minus, plus will become minus, plus will become minus. So 7a minus 7a, both will get cancelled. 7 plus 7a minus 7a will get cancelled. So minus 357b plus b. Minus 357b plus b. So you will get minus 356b. 1b will get reduced because this is minus and this is plus. So minus 357 minus 1, you will get minus 356b is equal to minus 1225 plus 630. You will get minus 595. You should take the calculator and simultaneously you calculate and see whether you are getting correct or not. You will get definitely correct. So minus is there on both the sides. It will get cancelled. So 356b is equal to 595. B is equal to 595 by 356, you will get 1.67. So one value we got, B is equal to 1.67. Now substitute the value of B in equation number 1. What is the first equation? 7a plus b is equal to 630. 7a plus b is equal to 630. This is the first equation. Now substitute the value of B. B value is 1.67. So 7a plus 1.67 is equal to 630. Now take this 1.67 to RHS. It will become plus, will become minus. So 7a is equal to 630 minus 1.67, 628.33. So a is equal to 628.33 divided by 7, 89.76. So we got the value of a, 89.76. Both the values we got. This is the long procedure of finding out a and b. And this procedure will be followed only when summation x is not equal to 0. If we cannot be able to make summation x is equal to 0, then this procedure. If we can make summation x is equal to 0, very simple formula to get the values of a and b. So we got a value, b value. The straight line trend equation is yc is equal to a plus bx. So yc is equal to a, 89.76 a value, plus b, 1.67 x. That's all. So we have calculated the straight line equation, the straight line trend equation by the method of least squares. Now it is asking you to find out the trend values. So take the year, first year is 1991. What is the x value? Minus 4. For 1991, x value is minus 4. Now in place of x, we write down minus 4. So 89.76 plus 1.67 into minus 4. Now reverse back calculations. Minus 4 into 1.67 plus 89.76. You will get 83.08. Next, when 1993 x is equal to minus 2. Here you can say 1993 x is minus 2. So in place of x, I am substituting minus 2. Minus 2 into 1.67 plus 89.76, 86.42. Like this, you substitute all x values, we will get the trend values. Take the trend values here. The total of summation yc and total of summation y, both must be equal. 630, 630, both are equal. That means our calculations are correct. So this is the end of problem number 18. So in this video, we came across some new points regarding normal equations. So watch this video twice or thrice, then only you can be able to get a good grasp on this type of problems. Okay, so we'll continue the next problem in the next video. Come on, now we'll start the next problem, that is problem number 19. See the 19th problem. Fit a straight line trend by the method of least squares from the following data and estimate 1986 sales. So first of all we have to fit the straight line trend. Right? So year 1979, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. So in sequence the years are given. Sales 100, 105, 96, 102, 108, 109, 112. See carefully. Fitting the straight line trend by the method of least squares, year are given in the problem 1979 to 1985. And the sales values are given 100, 105, 96, like that. Now we have to take the x values. Now we have to make the summation x as 0. Then our calculations will become simplified. Otherwise, if you are unable to make summation x is equal to 0, we have to apply normal equation method, what we have done in the previous problem. Right? So here we can make summation x is equal to 0. How many years are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 years, odd number of years. And there is no break, there is no skipping of the year. All the years are in sequence. The middle year 1982 we may take the base. 1982 will treat it as base. So 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So summation x will become 0. Then x square, 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, 9. Take the total of summation x square, 28. Now multiply x into y. This is x, this is y. 100 into 3, minus 300. Plus into minus, minus. Plus into minus, minus. 105 into 2, 210. 96 into 1, minus 96. 102 into 0, 0. 108 into 1, 108. 109 into 2, 218. 112 into 3, 336. Take the total of this, 56. On the calculator, just press minus 300, minus 210, minus 96, plus 108, plus 218, plus 336. You will get 56. Over, calculations are over. Now straight line trend equation, yc is equal to a plus bx. Already every problem we are applying the same equation. This is the straight line trend equation according to least squares method. Now a and b we have to find out. If summation x is equal to 0, then easily we can find out the values of a and b by simple formula. A is equal to summation y by n and b is equal to summation xy by summation x square. So how much is summation y? 732 divided by 7. 732 divided by 7, 104.57. B is equal to summation xy divided by summation y square. Xy is 56. 56 divided by 28, 2. So we got a value, we got b value. Substitute in the formula equation, we'll get the straight line trend. The straight line trend equation is yc is equal to a plus bx. So a is how much? 104.57. B is how much? 2x. That's all. We got the equation. Now it is asking you to estimated sales for the year 1986. Estimated sales we have to predict for the year 1986. Now for 1986, x is equal to 4 because see here, 1985. For 1985, what is the value of x here? 3. 85 के लिए 3. So 86 will become 4. So 86 is equal to x is equal to 4. Now we substitute 4 in place of x. In place of x, we'll write down 4. So 4 2 is 8. 8 plus 104.57, 112.57. So this is the estimated sales for the year 1986. It is 1986. That's all. Now, 20th problem. Problem number 20, you see. The following data relate to profits earned by a company year 1986, 96, 97, 98, 99, 2000, 1, 2. Again in sequence, there is no break. How many years? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 years. Odd number of years. Profits are given. Fit a straight line equation by the method of least square and estimate the value for the year 2005. We have to find out the estimated profit for the year 2005. Exactly similar what we have done previous problem. Fitting the straight line trend by the method of least squares year 1996, 97, 98 up to 2002 in sequence, no break. So n is equal to 7. The profit figures are given 85, 92, 105, 127 like that. Take summation y 966. Now middle year will take it as base year. The middle year is 1999. This is center. 3 years first, 3 years last. The center year is 1999. Take it as base 0. There is no skipping. So 1, 2, 3. 1 year ahead, 2 year ahead, 3 year ahead. 1 year backward, 2 year backward, 3 year backward. So plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Summation x is equal to 0. Now square it. 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4, 1 0 1 4 9. Take the total 28. Now x into y, multiply 85 into 3, 225, 92 into 2, 184, 105 into 1, 105, minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus. 127 into 0, 182 into 1, 175 into 2, 200 into 3. Take the total 588. That's it. Now we'll substitute in the equation. The straight line trend equation, yc is equal to a plus bx. Now since summation x is equal to 0, so the values of a and b can be found out. A is equal to summation y by 966 by 7, 138. B is equal to summation xy by summation x square, 21. So straight line equation we got yc is equal to 138 plus 2x, 21x plus 21x. Now estimated profit for the year 2005. The last year was 2000 year, 2002. For 2002, what is the x value here? 3. So we can write 2002 is 3. So 2003 is 4, 2004 is 5 and 2005 is 6. So for the year 2005, the value of x is 6. So substitute 6 in place of x. So 21 into 6 plus 138, 264. So estimated profit for the year 2005 is 264. That's all. This is the end of problem number, this 20th. Next problem, 21st problem you see. Fit a trend line to the following data by the method of least squares. Only we have to fit the straight line trend, no estimation. Year 1986, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98. Here we are given alternate year. The break is same. That means every 2 years the data is given. Every 2 years. 86. There is no 87. Then 88. There is no 89. 90. No 91. 92 is given. 93 is not there. 94 is given. 95 is not given. 96 is given. 97 is not given. 98 is given. So alternative years the data is given. Right? The production is given 25, 26, 7 like that. Only we have to fit the straight line trend. So year 1986, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98. So 7 years data is given, but alternative year. Profits are given, production is given. Now, the center year will take it as base year. 1992 will take it as base year. Now, every 2 years, the gap is not 1 year. The gap is 2 years. So x units are 2 years. In the previous problem, x unit was 1 year. So we will taking 0, 1, 2, 3. But we should not take. Here we take 0, 2, 4. From 0, 2 years. From 0 to 4 years, 0 to 6 years. 92 to 94, 2 years. 92 to 96, 4 years. 92 to 98, 6 years. So plus 2, plus 4, plus 6. Similarly, backward also same. Minus 2, minus 4, minus 6. So ultimately you will get 0. the total will be 0. Minus 6, minus 4, minus 2, plus 6, plus 2, plus 4. Same, cancelled, 0. Now square it. 6 6 are 36, 4 4 are 16, 2 2s are 4, 0, 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 6 6 are 36. Take the total, it is 112. Then summation xy. Multiply 25 into 6, 150, minus 27 into 4, 108, minus 32 into 4, 64, 32 into 2, 64, minus 36 into 0, 44 into 2, 55 into 4, 69 into 6. Take the total 4. Now simply we have to substitute in the equation, straight line trend equation, yc is equal to a plus bx. A is equal to summation y by n, 288 divided by 7, 41.14. B is equal to summation xy by x square, 400 divided by 112, 3.57. So straight line trend equation is yc a plus bx, 41.14 plus 3.57 x. That's all. So this is the end of problem number 21. So far I have completed 21 problems on straight line trend. We have done the problems on freehand method, semi-average method, moving average method, and last least squares method. From examination point of view, this least squares method is very, very important. So you must have a good practice on this type of problems. Don't simply watch and listen the problem. After watching, try to do it yourself. Then only you will get the more perfection. Complete perfection you will get. Okay, so if you are satisfied with my lecture, give a like to the video. Share my channel among your groups, among your friend circle, so that more students can watch these videos and gain the knowledge. And give the comments on these videos, and lastly, don't forget to subscribe my channel. We'll continue the next problem in the next video.